Hi everyone. My video today is about how to name a parent chain for alkene. Alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon that contains at least one double bond between carbons. Alkenes are a little bit more complicated than alkane. I will show you when we reach the different number of carbons. For number one, like I said on the previous video about naming alkane, one carbon is only for alkane. It's not for alkene, neither alkyne. It's a CH4. It's a methane. So there is no one carbon for alkene, neither alkyne. How about number two? CH2 structure. This is bond-like structure. There's an ethene. ETH stands for number 2, ENE stands for suffix. About number 3, here. Start from number 3, we have to use number to indicate the location of the double bond. Choose as small numbers as possible for the double bond. For this molecule, we have to number it, and remember numbers, small numbers. So how we number with the small numbers? 1, 2, 3. How about this? They're still the same, right? Because when we flip each of those, when we flip each of the molecule, they are exactly the same. And how about this structure? How about we number like this? 1, 2, 3. It's not gonna work because the location of the bond starts from 2 is bigger the location of the number of the double bond we did before, number 1 right here. So this is not chosen. We choose number 1 is the location of the double bond. And what's the name for it? 1-propene or propene. We can write either of those, 1-propene or propene, because there's only one possibility to name this molecule. We don't change the double bonds around. The double bond doesn't have different locations. Only one location is number 1, so we can remove number 1. We can see more when we do number 4 right here. 4, I put 1, 2, 4. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, we have to choose the right location for the double bond. Right here we see is a number 1. It's not number 2, not number 3, not number 4. So we cannot eliminate the number when we write out the name for the structure, because number from number 4 carbons, numbering is very important. So we need 1-butene. We cannot eliminate number 1 because number 1 right here stands for the location. BUT stands for 4 carbons. And ENE stands for suffix. How about this structure? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 2-butene. See the difference? It's number 1 right here, number 2, and BUT is the 4 carbon, ENE stands for suffix. Right here, number 1 right here, that's the first location, of the double bond, and the second right here, the second location of the double bond in the structure. How about 5? Remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-pentene. 2-pentene. Yep. 2 stands for the location of the double bond. It's right here. Bent it means 5 carbon. ENE is a suffix. How about 6 carbon? Right now I give you 2 double bond. Be careful when there are more than when there is more than one double bonds, we have to know the table of the prefixes. Number 1 is mono, number 2 di, number 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexamer, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, and 10 deca. That's the prefix if more than one double bond or triple bond. Right here we have 2 double bonds. So no matter like whatever we do, remember choose as small numbers as possible. So what if a number like this? A number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the sum? What's the total number when we add 2 location at the double bond? It's a 5 and 2, so 7. And I'll try this one. I'll try the other way. Go there. That's one way. How about the other way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add number 1 and number 4 together is a 5. This is 7 and this is 5. Which one better? 5 better. So when we choose the top compound, we choose the bottom compound. So what's the name for it? It's a 1, 4 hex DN or dying. DN or dying. 1, 4 stands for location and double bond. Hex means 6 carbon. Di is a prefix, it means 2. And ene is a suffix. How about 7 carbon? This one's pretty easy, right? What if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5? Try the other way. I'll try the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's better. Only 3. Smaller number, so it's better. We choose this molecule. We choose this way. So that's a 3 heptene. Ene means suffix. Hep means 7, and 3 is the location double bond. Okay. Instead of 2 double bonds, I give you 3 double bonds. It's not quite different. It's just a little bit more complicated. Instead of di, we put tri, stand for 3. So 2 small numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually we pick the first double bond and number it with the smallest number. Yep. So this is the first location, second location, and third location. 1, 3, 5. How many carbons? 7 carbon. Hept. What? Have. Try. Hep. Try. Hepta. Try. In. It's a little bit different. Instead of hep only, put another letter A right there. Hepta. It means heptatry. Check out the next video for the alkyne. The alkyne is the same as alkene, but change in the ending from E and E to I and E. It's gonna be fast for the next video. Thank you.